how much should you actually spend on a wireless charging motorcycle mount? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, BR Coven Motorcycle Phone Mount. The BR Coven Motorcycle Phone Mount priced at $59.99. What caught my eye was its dual charging capability, a key wireless charger and a USB-C port all in one. If you want a reliable way to keep your phone charged on the go, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mount supports key 15W charging, so whether you're using a newer smartphone or an older model, you'll be able to charge quickly. It's also got an IP66 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle a good bit of rain without any issues. And with the sturdy design and anti-theft features, you can ride with peace of mind, knowing your phone is secure. Over 1,000 of these have been sold just last month, which says something about its popularity. Now, some people have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward, and the security features make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, secure mount that keeps your phone charged during long rides. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra budget-friendly, but for the price, you get a lot of value here. Now, if the BR Coven's price seemed high, the next option is a more budget-friendly alternative.
Product number 2, Keyrig Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, which comes in at a very wallet-friendly $39.99. What I liked about it is the one-push lock feature that makes it super easy to use. If you want convenience without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. This mount also features a Qi wireless charger with 15-watt output, which is perfect for quickly powering up your phone as you ride. It even has a USB-C 20-watt output, giving you flexibility in how you charge your devices. The design is sturdy and can fit a variety of handlebar sizes, which is great for different bike models. Plus, its quick release function means you can easily grab your phone when you need it. It's already gained over 300 sales this month, showing that riders trust it. However, some users have noted that it's not the best for very bumpy rides, as it might vibrate a bit. But honestly, as long as you're not racing on rough terrain, most people find it absolutely fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable charging option. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand the harshest ride conditions, but for everyday use, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a solid balance of features and price.
Product number 3, Keyrig Motorcycle Phone Mount Qi. We have another from Keyrig, the Motorcycle Phone Mount Qi, priced at $35.99. This one caught my eye for its versatility, especially with both wireless and USB-C charging options. If you want something simple yet effective, this deserves your attention. This mount supports simultaneous charging for 2 devices, which is perfect if you have a passenger who needs to charge too. The quick release feature and one-click lock make it a breeze to use when you're on the road. Plus, it's IP66 waterproof, so it'll hold up well against the elements. With over 200 sales recently, it's clearly making an impact in the market. Some users have pointed out that the wireless charging area can be a bit finicky if your phone isn't properly aligned. But here's the thing, once you get the positioning right, it works perfectly, and the ease of use makes up for that minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, reliable mount that doesn't complicate things. Skip this one if you have a larger phone, as it's best for mid-sized devices. For the price, you're getting solid value. Now, if you want something with a bit more security and features, let's check out the next option.
Product number 4, BR Coven Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. The BR Coven Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, priced at $39.99. This one has a sleek design and a one-hand operation feature that really caught my attention. If you want something easy to use while riding, this might be the one for you. This mount also has a Qi wireless charger outputting 15 watts and a USB-C port that delivers 20 watts. It's designed to hold phones securely, even on bumpy rides, thanks to its shockproof silicone and sturdy build. The quick release feature and 360-degree rotation are perfect for adjusting your view while riding. With around 200 sold last month, it's clearly popular among riders. However, some feedback indicated that it might not fit every bike's handlebar perfectly. Now, some people might see that as a deal breaker, but if your bike falls within the compatible measurements, you're in for a great ride. This is perfect for you if you want ease of use without sacrificing security. Skip this one if you have an unconventional handlebar size, but it's a solid choice for most riders. Now, if you're looking for something that also considers weather elements, let's move on to our last product. Product number 5, Motorcycle Phone Mount with Sunshade. We have the Motorcycle Phone Mount with Sunshade, priced at $37.99. This one stood out to me because of its unique sunshade feature, which can make a huge difference on sunny days. If you've ever struggled to see your phone while riding in the sun, this could be a lifesaver. It's equipped with a QI wireless charger and can charge multiple devices simultaneously, which is fantastic for you and a passenger. The anti-theft design is a plus, and the shock-absorbing silicone keeps your phone safe, even on rough roads. With over 100 sold this month, it shows it's catching on. One downside is that the sunshade can be a bit cumbersome if you don't need it, and some users said it feels a bit bulky. But honestly, if you ride in bright conditions, that extra protection for your screen is a pretty significant benefit. This is perfect for you if you ride a lot during the day and need visibility. Skip this one if you prefer a sleeker design without extra features, but it's a solid buy for sunny rides.
So we've covered a range of options. If you're looking for high security and performance, the BRCO van mounts are fantastic. The Keywig options are great for budget-conscious riders wanting quality. And the sunshade mount is perfect for those who frequently ride in bright conditions. No matter what you choose, there's something here for everyone. Happy riding!